In this lecture, we'll learn to create templates. So templates are basically building blocks which can be used for views. For instance, over here, what we are doing is we are creating a template where we have a fixed header and then the content will be dynamic in nature. Similarly, we can have a footer area defined over here as well. So this makes the template to be used with multiple views. We can include the meta tags inside the head section, as you can see over here. Then links for fonts and style can be included as inline or via CSS. Now, if one has to go with CSS, the best place for it is the assets directory, where one can have the JavaScript as well as the styles. For now, we have included it in the code itself. In order to include files which resides inside the assets directory, the syntax for them will be curly braces, then assets directory. So if I have to write something over here, it will be like ASSETS assets, and then the name of the file that's inside the assets directory. For instance, if it's going to be app.js, we can go ahead and write assets.js, then the name of the file. Like over here, we have app.js this way. So this becomes the src tag. Now coming back to our app.blade.php, you'll notice at line number 69 we have a special function called @yield, and then inside that we have defined something as content. Let's see how exactly we can make use of this. So just in the views directory, you'll notice we have contents directory as well, and inside that we have page.blade.php. If I open this one up, you'll notice the first line says extends layouts.app. Now layouts is the name of the directory that we have over here inside the views directory, and app.blade.php simply referred over here as app. Then the section that we have over here in app called content, that is basically defined over here as section. So we are saying section, and the name of the section is content. Then inside that section we have some HTML content, that is div class content, and here we have the course and author. Now if I go to content controller, this is the method that is basically going to render the contents page. So contents again is the name of the directory over here inside views, as you can see, and then page is the name of the view. So contents.page, and then we are passing the data to this view, and over here in page.blade we are just displaying that data, course and author. So now if I save this and run it, you'll notice over here it says Laravel, and then the course ID 8 over here, and then the author name as SP. So that's how we create a template, and we can make use of it with multiple views in Laravel.